Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 8.0 optical PX5 chip, Android 8.0 system special for Suzuki SX4 26 to 2013 year. Okay, here is the box. Let me do the unbox review. Okay, let me open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. This is head unit special for Suzuki SX4. Okay, let me introduce the harness set first. You can check this special harness for Suzuki SX4. This radio antenna is connected back of head unit. Okay. Okay, this is a special harness. It comes with this GPS antenna. You can check the GPS antenna. This is external microphone. This is two USB cable. This is external microphone. Okay, it's original USB. Okay, it's remote controller. Okay, this is camera input. Okay, this is AUX is AUX input, right and left, and video input. Okay, this is audio cable. You can check this video 1 and the video 2 as intact. Okay, this subwoofer, and this AUX front and right, left and right, front and rear, left and right. AUX output. Okay. Let me check the head unit. Okay, you can check this head unit. It's the right side. This is screw hole. Okay, check the left side. Okay, please, you can check these two screws, fix the DVD. Please take out these two screws before installing. Okay, you can check back. This is the connector, this fuse, GPS, Wi-Fi antenna. This is radio port, these connectors. Okay, you can check the front. You can check this knob button. Okay, let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, head unit will be start. Okay, you can check this DVD player. This is power volume button. Okay, this is GPS microphone, built-in microphone, EQ, IR, GPS card slot, SD card slot, AUX, this AUX home, and this button, next button. Okay, let me check. Please take out the screw protector before using. Okay, you can check this UI interface. Very fast response. Okay, let me check the settings. You can check system. It's built all language. You can set the all language in here. Add language. All languages built in. Okay. Let me check the system. You can check PX5 octa-core, PX5 rack chip. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, it's an Oreo system. Back the home. Let me back the home. Okay. Let me check the other car settings. You can check this steering wheel control keys. You can set here amplifier, and navigation, driver setting, watch video, extra setting. You can check shutter up delay. You can set 1 hour when SC off. Okay, play music, auto play music, and reserve these settings. Okay, built-in Wi-Fi, sound setting, and display. You can adjust in here. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.